What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my unboxing and review of the TWS AirPro 3. Both the AirPods and AirPods Pro are cool pieces of tech, but a lot of people just cannot swallow those steep price tags. This is where AirPods and AirPods Pro clones come in. They offer most of the functionalities and features present in genuine AirPods at a much lower price point. The TWS AirPro 3 is a great affordable alternative to the AirPods Pro. I got this for about $10 or 400 pesos on Shopee. For those of you who want to check this out, I will leave the link to the shop I purchased this from in the description box below. Alright, so let's unbox the TWS AirPro 3. This is the box. Right out front, there's a photo of a white colored AirPods Pro against a colorful background. And as for the back, there's a photo of the AirPods Pro stored in a charging case. Now you'll see that there's a blue sticker on the side, and that's because I got the blue version of the TWS AirPro 3. Let's take this plastic off. Here we have the AirPro 3 charging case wrapped in frosted plastic. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. Okay, it looks like the AirPro 3 comes with a free lightning cable. So this is what you will use to charge the AirPro 3. The standard iPhone charging brick will work fine, but your options are not limited to that. You can use any charging brick with a USB port. Next, we've got this manual here. It tells you how to use the touch sensor of the AirPro 3. Now we'll take a look at the earphones themselves. That's a nice pastel blue color. It has a glossy finish that's quite different from the one found in the InPods 12. Those have a matte finish. Now the charging case has a light indicator right out front that flashes green whenever the lid is lifted up. On the back, there's a button that powers the case on or off. And here they are. Wow, these look very good. Now the black vents of the original weren't replicated. Here they're not real vents, they're just stickers. One minor downside is that there is only one pair of tips provided, so finding the right fit might be an issue for some. The color of the ear tips match that of the earphones themselves though, which is nice. Other clones come with white ear tips that don't match the earphones. Overall, I'm impressed. These look very similar to the original AirPods Pro. Now pairing these with a device of your choice is easy. On iOS there is a pop-up feature. Turn on Bluetooth and with the earphones still inside, lift up the lid of the charging case. Wait for a few seconds until an on-screen prompt appears. Now it says AirPods Pro. Press connect, and once the word connecting disappears, take them out of the case. Once that's done, we can go into Bluetooth settings and explore some of the options available to us. Do note that the battery indicator is not accurate. You can still use it as a reference, but the actual battery percentage will be different. So the rename function does work, and I've already tested that. As for the transparency and noise cancellation options, well, disappointingly, they don't work. The ear tip fit test also doesn't work. But then again, 400 pesos or $10 is dirt cheap. These TWS earphones look and sound great for the price. I really appreciated the option to rename them. In the past, you couldn't get that with the InPods 12. Let's see how pairing works with an Android device. First, turn on Bluetooth. Next, go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Then look for the name AirPods Pro. Press connect, wait for a few seconds, and you're all set. People who like a lot of bass in their music will be served well by these. Although there's a lot of bass, the mids and vocals don't suffer that much. Vocals still sound crisp and natural, if a bit recessed at times. As for the treble, it's noticeably laid back, so the sound doesn't come across as harsh or shrill. The clarity and detail are okay, but those who have gotten used to much nicer earphones might find these a bit too muffled for their liking. This relaxed sound signature is perfect for casual listening. It did not hurt my ears at all. So I highly recommend these earphones for long listening sessions. But if you're looking for a more refined tonality, you might be better off sticking to wired earphones or more expensive wireless options, such as the Sabat lineup. There are two ways to charge the AirPod 3. The first way is to charge the case with the earphones inside it. The second way is to charge only the earphones. With the earphones inside the case, press the button on the back, and you'll see a red light come on. That means it's charging. Wait for the red light to disappear before using the earphones again. A red blinking light means that the case is running low on battery. Fully charging the case takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes. The TWS AirPod 3 is a solid option for those on a budget. The sound is quite nice and the earphones feel reassuringly durable. You really get what you pay for. At $10, these might not be the best sounding AirPods Pro clones out there, but they're a good place to start if you're going wireless for the first time.